My name is Mandy Powell. I'm co-founder at the Goodwash Company. The Goodwash Company is a Welsh luxury wash and lifestyle brand. With every wash you make, you can help improve lives in Wales. We try and thread the Welsh language through everything that we do. So not only is it on the labels, but we also weave it through all our social media. People seem to think historically if the Welsh language is on there, it's not going to sell in England, but we don't find that at all. In fact, we find it a USP. 70% of our sales are outside of Wales. So we usually get tweets from somebody washing their dog in Primrose Hill, for example, saying that they've learned a new Welsh word today. Sometimes it's quite scary to put Welsh language on your social media, so it's good to have that kind of go-to where I could send them a piece of information and they can turn it around really quickly. We would definitely 100% encourage any businesses using the Welsh language to work with Welsh in business.